Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this week's video, we are working on running electrical up to the shed, running water lines. In the last video, we got the well drilled and some trenches dug. Now today I've got the guy coming out to install the well pump, and so hopefully we'll have the water hooked up by the end of the day, and then we'll have power and water so we can move out here with the camper. So I'm hoping to move out here tomorrow. So we got that all done, run down into the trench, up into the shed, and so now we've got power in the shed, so that's awesome. Beautiful fall colors. Alright folks, so yesterday the guy was out here putting the pump in the well. He got pretty much everything good to go, and then only to discover that there was no water in the well. So they're going to have to come back out and drill the well deeper. So they'll probably have to go down another 200 feet, who knows, maybe another 300 or 400 feet, I don't know. But so we were not able to move out here today. This is the day we were going to move out if everything had gone as planned. As you can see, they had to take the wire back out. They took all the piping back out. The well driller, he's still close by, so hopefully he'll be able to come out and drill the well deeper within the next couple of days. So we're delayed once again, but God is good and He's faithful and He will provide. So this afternoon I'm just going to be working on the shed, work on getting the fascia boards up, and then I can get measurements for the metal for the roof and get that ordered. And probably later this week I need to get an excavator so I can run a trench for the water line for the yard hydrant down at the camper spot, and also the septic line. Now I had dug a trench for that, only to realize that wasn't going to work because the septic line can't have more than 1/4 inch of slope per foot. So I got to get a transit and an excavator, and dig a bigger trench to get that sewer line precisely laid out so it's not too steep or too flat. So yesterday we did though get the power run up to the shed, so we got power up there, so that's accomplished.